So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this right now. So here's some basic things you're gonna need. Mud pan, some 5-minute mud, and some tape. And start by taping it off a little bit. Start by getting your mud in your pan. And then get some water. And you're just gonna give it a little mix. And then this might need a little bit more water, but just to start, it's don't be scared to add too much water because you can always add some more powder. But you only got 5 minutes to work with, so gotta be quick. And I'm not worried about the floor because it's being ripped. And then once you have a nice consistency, doesn't flop, not too liquidy. Try not to take too long because 5 minutes will dry very fast. So. And this one is just to fill up the top. Get it nice in there. And then we're gonna do another layer of tape right over that. Just like so. Beautiful. And that'll create a nice strong start for this patch. We'll have to wait for this to dry, give it a little bit, and then give it another coat. All right, now we wait to dry.